Hey guys, this is a what sold on eBay video. I don't sell a whole lot. Sometimes I sell 4 or 5 items a week. Sometimes I sell 1 item every 2 weeks because it's just a hobby and it's part-time. They don't sell a whole lot of stuff, so I can't put together what sold on eBay this week and show you a whole bunch of stuff because it just doesn't happen that way. So I'm not going to promise a week or a day or a month or anything. Just the occasional stuff that sold. So up here in the corner, I'm going to put a picture. Today I sold a set of saw blades. That's 5 blades to a pack, and the guy bought 2 packs. So plus shipping on top was $50. That was a really good haul today. That's part of a toolbox lot that I bought from Peter. He's Craigslist Hunter. His link is below in the description. A couple months back, he has a haul video. You have to go check out his channel. He bought 10 pallets of tools. I think they were discontinued tools, and it was Lennox brand and Irwin brand, and he is probably going to spend the next couple years just selling those. I think it was close to $10,000 for 10 pallets. So what he did do at one time is he put together some boxes, some priority large flat rate boxes, and just packed them full of tools, and he sold them. He sold me one. If you contacted him by email, he would sell you a box, which is kind of a risk. I mean, this is sight unseen. I don't know this guy. I just know him from YouTube. Seems super trustworthy. He has a brick and mortar store outside of Chicago, so he's not going anywhere anytime soon. And I sent him through PayPal $160, and there's really no way of knowing if this is the legit deal or not, and I had no idea what tools he was going to put in this box. So I took a gamble. He shipped it to me within a few days, and it was jam-packed full of tools. So I did a little research. It was about $700 retail value in tools that I paid a lot less than that for. So I've sold probably 60% of those tools, and I've more than doubled my money, and I still have more to go. So they do take a while to sell. There's a lot of competition with tools, but I think this picture will be up here. So these blades sold, and I did really well on those. The other item that I sold that I'll put a picture up here is Taco Bell hot sauce packets. I know this sounds really funny, and I don't recommend this because it takes forever. These took about 9 months to sell. This is what I call the proposal pack or the marriage pack. The hot sauce packets say "marry me?" ? And then others say "I do." Others say weird things related to that. I don't even remember what it is. Some of them were blank, where you could take a pen and write an answer on it. I put about 9 or 10 of these hot sauce packets together and called it the proposal pack. I guess young people who want to propose to their significant other think it's kind of cute and clever to propose with a Taco Bell hot sauce packet. I read a story somewhere online where that was a thing, and people would actually buy them because they're hard to find. Sometimes Taco Bell will have themes, and there are just millions of them that say the same thing, but then when they're done, they're gone. So somebody bought it. I sold it for $10. I think it was plus shipping on top of that too. So not something that you're going to get rich off. I'm not going to do it ever again. It just took too long. It took forever. The other item that sold is this part here. This is a sliding screen door hardware. So people that have a sliding patio door, and it has a screen door on it too. This is the hardware. I guess at the bottom corner there's little wheels that help this sliding screen door move back and forth through the tracks, and that can break. So I got these at a thrift store for 25 cents, and I bought about 15 of them for $1 a piece, and I sell them for $5.95 plus shipping on top in my eBay store. So 1 week I'll sell 2 or 3. I can go a couple months and not sell any. Sometimes people buy 1, sometimes they buy 2 or 3. I just sold 1 to a guy in Puerto Rico, of all places, and he needed it, wanted it, and I sold it. So the margin is awesome. 25 cents into $6 is not a bad margin at all, but your net profit is about $4 after eBay fees, PayPal fees, your time, your packaging materials, even if you charge the buyer shipping. So it's not a big ticket item, but I couldn't pass it up for 25 cents a piece. So I do find deals like that at thrift stores, lock sets, hardware like this, all kinds of stuff that's 25 cents, 50 cents. I'll make a video pretty soon in the future of my biggest score ever selling on eBay. It was an item that I paid 25 cents for, and it sold for $36. I actually bought 2 or 3 of those. It was crazy. So this is what sold on eBay: hot sauce packets from Taco Bell, saw blades by Lennox, and then this sliding screen door hardware. Not a big deal, but that's what's sold. And I'll make a new video probably in a couple weeks. I'll let it go 2 or 3 weeks so I actually sell stuff so I can make a video. But that's it for what sold on eBay. Thanks for watching.